25 collocations in English for everyday life. Do homework. Mine. Study or complete school tasks. I do my homework every evening. She's doing her homework now. Do the dishes. Mine. Wash plates, cups, and utensils. I do the dishes after dinner. She does the dishes every night. Do you exercise? Mine. Stay active to be healthy. She does exercise every morning. I do exercise to stay fit. Do business. Mine. Work or trade with someone. They do business with international companies. We do business with many clients. Do a job. Mine. Perform a task or work. He did a great job on the project. She always does a good job. Do your best. Mine. Try as hard as possible. Just do your best in the exam. I will do my best to help you. Do someone a favor. Mine. Help someone. Can you do me a favor? She did him a favor yesterday. Do research. Mine. Study something carefully. She's doing research on climate change. They do research before making decisions. Do the laundry. Mine. Wash clothes. I do the laundry on weekends. She does the laundry every Sunday. Do the shopping. Mine. Buy things from stores. He does the shopping every Friday. I need to do the shopping today. Do work. Mine. Complete tasks. I have to do a lot of work today. She does her work very carefully. Do damage. Mine. Cause harm. The storm did a lot of damage. The fire did serious damage. Make a decision. Mine. Choose something. I need to make a decision quickly. She made a decision yesterday. Make a mistake. Mine. Do something wrong. Everyone makes mistakes. I made a mistake in my work. Make money. Mine. Earn income. She makes money online. They make money from their business. Make a call. Meaning, phone someone. I need to make a call. He made a call to his friend. Make a plan. Meaning, organize what to do. Let's make a plan for the trip. We made a plan yesterday. Make progress. Meaning, improve or move forward. He's making progress in English. He made progress this week. Make noise. Meaning, create sound. The kids are making noise. Please don't make noise. Make an effort. Meaning, try hard. You should make an effort to learn. He made an effort to improve. Make a choice. Meaning, choose between options. You must make a choice now. She made the right choice. Make a list. Meaning, write things one by one. I made a list of groceries. She makes a list every day. Make a promise. Meaning, say you will do something. He made a promise to help. I made a promise to my friend. Make a suggestion. Meaning, give an idea. Can I make a suggestion? She made a good suggestion. Make time. Meaning, find time for something. I make time for my family. He makes time to study every day.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.